Hi guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 12. Today we are going to discuss about the webmaster tool or the performance in the webmaster tool. We have successfully added or embedded the website on the Google webmaster tool or the Google search console. So I have already logged in with my Gmail account. So before accessing the webmaster, you must have the Gmail account. So when you logged in with your account, click these buttons. As you can see, it's showing you the webmaster tools. When you click this one, it will redirect you to the panel. If you are not familiar with this icon, just find Google webmaster tool. Okay, as you can see, this is the first results, and when you click on the results, it's saying you sign in. Click on this bad boy. As you can see, both are the same things. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the websites, all the websites available here first of all, and now we have a performance sections. We also have several sections here. We'll discuss about each and every section, so don't worry about it. For now, as you can see, the home page is showing me the overall performance of my website. Which website? This particular website. Okay, now as you can see, the performance showing me that I have 45 total web search clicks. Fine. As you can see, it's also showing me the coverage. We will discuss about the coverage in our later lectures. Okay, now as you can see, it's showing me the enhancement, mobile usability, logos, site links, search box. So ignore all these things. Just click on the performance. So now as you can see, you have the impressions, you have the clicks, and you have the average positions. When you click on the average positions, so as you can see, Google showing you your keywords positions. So this is the query or the keyword, and this keywords ranked on the Google's 10th positions. If you click on this one, that means you are filtering as a ascending order. So now as you can see, marketing agency, so it's ranked on the first page first of all, and you have the 4 impressions, you have 1 click. Make sure you are showing the results last 3 months. When you click on this bad boy, as you can see, you also have some other options. Let's suppose you want to see overall performance of the last 7 days, 28 days. If I click on the 28 days, just click on this one and click the apply button. So as you can see, you have now successfully applied the filters to view your overall stats. So now as you can see, you are at the 69th positions. You have 2.24k impressions and you have 18 clicks. That means your website is new first of all, and another thing is you have the less content. So that's why you are at the 69.6 position. Okay, when you change the website, now as you can see, for the 28 day last, you have 52.3k impressions, 2.57k total clicks, and you have the 20 positions, and it's also growing. That means it's fine, sounds good. If you click on the last 3 months performance, so here as you can see, you have the 3 months performance. Now as you can see, if you want to check which keywords people are searching, and the Google showing you the results. Okay, so as you can see, now you have your queries. You have at the third positions, you have the first position, and this is the first positions. If you click on this one, you can increase the number of results. As you can see, you are at the 3rd position, 5 positions, 6 positions. When you click on the positions, as you can see, it's showing you descending. Now it's ascending order. You can check the queries by ascending and descending order. So the more impressions you have, so if you are getting or gaining the more impressions but you have the few clicks, that means you are not at the first positions, or you have the duplicated data. If you don't have the duplicated data, that means you have to improve your SEO. So that's why. Okay, we'll discuss about all these things in our later lectures, but consider if you click on this date, and if you want to compare your last 28 days, okay, fine. So it's showing you the previous 28 days and the last 28 days. So now as you can see, the previous 28 days 1.85k clicks, and as you can see last 28 days you have 2.57 clicks, and you have previous 28 days data 18.4. so this is the average positions, and you have the 20 positions. So this is the overall graph. So in this way you can check your query. You can also check by your pages. You can also check by the countries and the devices. So all the metrics are here. So why I'm saying metrics, so don't worry about it, just consider this one if you are not familiar with the metrics and some other kind of technical things. So you can also check by clicking this one. If you click a particular keyword, so now as you can see Google showing you, or the webmaster tool showing you the overall results of this left join coordinator keyword. So as you can see, this is the left join coordinator keyword. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to explain or we are going to explore the coverage sections in the sitemap. So I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button. So thank you for watching.